that was the intention.
What do you say about your transformation? Is it something for the film or something huge?
Yeah, obviously, it's in the so the film that I was doing, I'm doing right now, Drive, Tarun Mansukhani's film. So in that film, I was supposed to be slightly lean, but this is the first stage of my next film. That's Chanda Mama Durke. That's going to start in next 2 months. And yeah, so in that film, it is mandatory for me to have a very, very great athletic kind of physique because astronauts are like. So we will show the entire making of astronaut in that film. So yeah, the physical appearance means a lot.
Sushant, there was a humdrum around nepotism recently in Bollywood. So have you ever faced something like that, or what is your take on that?
See, I can only say through my experience and I think in 2011 in October I decided to quit TV and I was thinking of going somewhere else, but in the next 3 months I got Kai Poche, and from then onwards till now all the films that I've released and all the films that I've signed for next 1.5 years, these are the films that I really wanted to do. Not because there were like no options, but these are the films that I really, really wanted to do. So having this luxury of choosing the kind of scripts and projects out of many, so I cannot complain. So it's my personal experience. Having said that, well, yes, nepotism is there and it's there, it's everywhere. It's just not in Bollywood. And so yeah, so you can't do anything about it. But yes, if so, nepotism can coexist and nothing would happen. But at the same time, if you deliberately don't allow right talents to come up, then there is a problem. And then the whole structure of the industry would collapse one day. But till then, it's fine. Nepotism can coexist with all the talented people also starring at the same time. And you'll get wonderful films because they will be competing with each other and they will raise the performance.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Sushant,
Done,
how
done.
would you like, how do you compare the IFA awards with all the awards happening around the year? And most important factor, you said the fact that it's being held all over the country.
So in 16 years of my schooling, I used to avoid these questions. Compare this with that.
No, it's not that.
There's a very elaborate answer.
IFA has created its identity all these years.
So I answered that. That was my first answer. It's got a very special place in my heart because for an introvert like me, who would not talk for first 18 years of his life, suddenly he's on stage and is dancing behind all these great, wonderful superstars. He's dancing behind Shah Rukh and everything in 2005 or 6, and that was the first time I realized that wow, this feels so good. And that was IFA 2005, 2006, and so it's got a very special place. All the way.
Thank you. Thank you.
Happy Easter, everyone. Thank you for being here on a holiday.
Okay. हाय दिया जी मैम लोग आईफा
हाँ मैं सुन लूँ सवाल
जी कितने एक्साइटेड है इस बार के आईफा के लिए आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं
न्यूयॉर्क सिटी दुनिया में मेरे फेवरेट सिटीज़ में से एक है, सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट। हर साल आईफा अवार्ड्स अपने आप को नए जगहों में ले जाने की कोशिश करता है और भी बेहतर होने की कोशिश करता है, एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस टू cut across the globe and go to the wonderful city of New York to celebrate Indian cinema.
How do you see the cinema going to?
I think there's a very interesting melting pot of shared experiences that people in creative spaces are encouraging, and that is being witnessed in various platforms, be it television, film, basically multimedia, and it's really wonderful. I'm actually looking forward to seeing Priyanka in New York City and personally experiencing the love and the affection that she has garnered for herself in America. I think it'll be wonderful.
Who are you rooting for this time?
It's last year was a very interesting year for cinema. Many very socially relevant topics were explored through the various narratives. Some of my favorite films from last year were Dangal, Pink, Neerja. There are many more to name, but these were my top 3 favorite films. It's going to be tough to vote right now because there's just been such an incredible body of work at display, and I hope we continue to grow like this and audiences continue to enjoy and love meaningful, socially relevant, good films.
We will be seeing the Nudat's biopic very soon. So how is it going?
Yeah. I mean, it's going really well. I just completed my last day of work a few days ago, and it's really a privilege and an honor to work with such a wonderful set of people. Mr. Rajkumar Hirani has directed me before in Lage Raho Munna Bhai. It was really nice to be back on his film set. But more than anything else, it's just the combined forces of talent that form the making of this film, and I can't wait for us to have the opportunity to reveal more about it. Right now we're all tight-lipped about what we're doing. The only thing I can say is that it's a privilege and an honor and an absolute joy to be working on the Sanjay Dutt biopic.
Did you had any opportunity to interact with Sanjay Dutt?
Of course.
Any of sort of words you had with him?
Sanjay sir is happy that I'm doing the film, and that means a lot to me. We've shared a very warm relationship over the years. I've done a few films with him in the past, and I'm just really happy that he was happy I was doing the film.
Yeah, we've seen Ranbir.
You should not have seen that. It was leaked by the media, and we were shooting that day, and I have to admit that it was upsetting because it was a look that we were saving to reveal much later. And while we are very enthused by the response from the public, which has been fantastic, we do wish that the media had respected the privacy of the film and not revealed those pictures. Bad people.
Right?
Yes, but the media wasn't invited to take pictures.
Yeah, but how is it to work with Ranbir, and people have been like recently Arshad said that he saw him in workshops and he's amazing as Sanju. So
Ranbir is amazing. There's no two ways about it. It's been a learning curve to work with him. He is supremely talented, and it's just such a joy and privilege to watch him at work and work with him. But I have to say that Ranbir Kapoor has possibly one of the finest temperaments I've ever worked with. And that's good. That says a lot about a person.
You didn't think Manyata Dutt in the film, so has Manyata watched any of the shots, or did she come on the set when you were shooting? What was her reaction?
I don't want to talk about that.
Alright, we'll just stick to IFA now. Any more questions on IFA? Anything? Alright, thank you.
I look forward to seeing
Thank you.
you guys in New York. Thank you for being
Have a
here.
nice photo.
Which side? This side and this side.
बाहर लिया
Alright, thank you. Now we go to the media for 5 minutes too.
Yeah? Oh,
Yes.
Enjoy your Sunday. Bye. Thank you.
मैम इधर
मैम हियर
मैम
मैम हियर वन मोर
They want media buy, so you want to do that first, or you want to do voting? Vote?
हाँ चलो तब तक हम लोग क्या
चलो.
मोबाइल आलिया लेफ्ट आलिया